I make a request. Please like and share my videos and subscribe my channel. And this is the channel name is with my name, Professor K. Satyanarayana. Please subscribe my channel if you have not already subscribed. Thank you. We now discuss the solution of a problem from the section Linear Algebra, and this problem has appeared in the CSIR National Eligibility Test held in the month of July 2024. The question is related to quadratic forms, and this question is from the part B, which is a multiple choice question with 3 marks, and the question ID is 704032. This question is suitable for the aspirants of JL, DL, TS set, AP set, IIT JAM and GATE. Now the given question is for a quadratic form f of xyz belongs to the polynomial ring or xyz polynomial ring with the 3 variables with the coefficients coming from the real numbers. We say that a triad A, B, C that belongs to R cube is a 0 of f if f of A, B, C is equal to 0. Then the question is, which of the following quadratic form has at least one 0 different from 0, 0, 0. The question is, which of the quadratic form has at least one 0 different from 0, 0, 0. Right. Now we are given 4 options. First option is the quadratic form x square plus 2y square plus 3z square. Option 2, x square plus 2y square plus 3z square minus 2xy. Option 3, x square plus 2y square plus 3z square minus 2xy minus 2yz. Option 4, x square plus 2y square minus 3z square. Right. Let's now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. A point in the R cube, that is a triad A, B, C belongs to R cube, is said to be a 0 of a quadratic form f of x, y, z in 3 variables x, y, z if f of A, B, C, this quadratic form is a quadratic form in 3 variables if f of A, B, C is equal to 0. And it is well known that x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 0. Sum of squares is equal to 0 if and only if each is 0. X is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 0. Right. This is a very well known fact. This we will be using in this. Right. But before entering into further discussion of the 4 quadratic forms that you are seeing here, the 4th quadratic form, for that we have a 0. It will be a 0 at a non-zero vector 1, 1, 1. So substitute 1 square plus 2 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 square is equal to 0. That means the triad 1, 1, 1, which is different from the 0, 0, comma 0, comma 0, and which satisfies the fourth quadratic form. Therefore, the answer is very trivially visible here, and the answer to this question is option 4. Right. So, now let us discuss one by one. Now, it is well known that x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 0 if and only if x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 0. Go to the option 1. The quadratic form x square plus 2y square plus 3z square is equal to x square plus root 2y whole square plus root 3z whole square is 0. Now apply the above. This is if and only if x is equal to root 2y is equal to root 3z is equal to 0. This will implies and implied by x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 0. So that is 0, 0, 0 is the only 0 of the quadratic form given in 1. Thus, the quadratic form 1 has no 0 different from 0, 0, 0. So therefore, our answer 1 is not our answer. Right. Now, let's go to the next slide and take the second option. X square plus 2y square plus 3z square minus 2xy. So, x square, take minus 2xy into account, plus y square, that will be x minus y whole square. 1 y square is left out, plus y square plus root 3z whole square. So, again sum of squares. This is if and only if x minus y is equal to y is equal to root 3z is equal to 0. That means x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 0. So again, that is 0, 0, 0 is the only 0 of this quadratic form. Thus, the quadratic form 2 has no 0 different from 0, 0, 0. So that means your option 2 is not your answer. Right. Option 3. X square plus 2y square plus 3z square minus 2xy minus 2yz. So, x square minus 2xy plus y square, that is x minus y whole square, 1y square left out, and y square minus 2yz plus z square, that is y minus z whole square. So you are left with 2z square. That 2z square we have written as root 2z whole square. Agreed. Again sum of squares. If and only if x minus y is equal to y minus z is equal to root 2z is equal to 0. This is if and only if x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 0. That is 0, 0, 0 is the only 0 of the quadratic form for 3. Thus, the quadratic form 3 has no 0 different from 0, 0, 0. Again, option 3 is not your answer. So, the leftover is option 4 only. Therefore, option 4 is your answer. But how? Take option 4. Let f of x comma y comma z is the quadratic form given in option 4, that is x square plus 2y square minus 3z square. It is evident now. It is easy to see that 1 comma 1 comma 1, when you substitute, this becomes 0. So, f of 1 comma 1 comma 1 is 1 square plus 2 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 square is 0. So, that means the quadratic form 4 has a 0. Who is that 0? That is 1 comma 1 comma 1 different from 0 comma 0. So, it has a 0 which is different from 0 comma 0. That is what we wanted. Therefore, the answer to this question is option 4. That is the detailed discussion of the solution of this problem. Here I make a note. This is using the definition of 0 and sum of squares. If they are equal, if sum of squares is equal to 0, then each is 0. That fact we have used repeatedly. But you can also use the eigenvalues. Write down the quadratic form, write its matrix of the quadratic form, then you talk about the eigenvalues. And through eigenvalues also you can talk. And while you are doing it, you may see that option 1, 2, 3, where the matrix, the symmetric matrix associated with this quadratic forms is a positive definite matrix, and thereby quadratic form will be positive definite quadratic form, then it is 0 if and only if 0, 0, 0 is the only 0 of the quadratic form. So the leftover is this one, and this comes out to be an indefinite quadratic form, quadratic form, and this is your answer. So you can use such a kind of thing also. So please try, but this is very simple. So that is the detailed discussion of the solution of the problem from linear algebra, which is based on the concepts of quadratic forms. And I make a request to all my viewers, please like and share my videos. And if you have not already subscribed, please subscribe my channel. This is my channel. I wish you all the best. Thank you.